We start with one hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, I mentioned if the price cannot break 0.099, the price can drop. Okay, that's why I was looking at this. But beside that, I was keep highlighting about this flat. And the reason was most of the charts they have a similar movement. And I mentioned we want the price to drop. And exactly as what we expected the price drop. Okay. Because we mentioned after the breakout of the previous low, which is I mean the lowest price of this flat, which is around 0.088 or 89, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. And no one see what's the next and what we have based on daily chart. All right. We have been within this down move and we are not going to the details. The only thing is if this is the flat and this is the start of the down move, that the price can drop within this zone, which is 0.047 and 0.023. Okay. The first things we're looking at 0.047. But for me, still I'm expecting the price to reverse. I don't think this is the start of the reverse, the price to drop. Okay. I mean, there is no continuation. Again, this is what I'm thinking. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop. It can. It depends on the market. But for me, what if I want to look for trade, I'm looking for reversal. If I get a trade setup for buy, this is what I'm looking for. Okay. The only times I will look for sell if it give me deeper correction here. Anyway, if you refer to our analysis, I put this line here because I mentioned I'm looking for the flat, the price drop, and exactly this is what we get because we mentioned we want to put this one in relative to this. And I mentioned if the price drop, we can expect the drop 0.085. Even the price break and no reverse. Okay, this is what we have been looking for. I'm going to remove this and I put my line here. Again, it doesn't mean the price is going to reverse from here. Even it can drop some more. Okay, if the price drop and break the previous low, then we see the different. We have to look at the chart in a different way. But from now, if I see the reversal, any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm looking for. By the way, right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy, and still we are within the. We can expect this one turn to a correction and the price drop. That means we can expect the price consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. Okay, unless we see the continuation and with the breakout of the stop. Anyway, from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. About the sell, I'm not really interested unless this one turns to deeper correction similar to what we have here, at least similar to what we got here. Okay, because we are more, as I mentioned, I'm more interested for reversal. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup for buy, but if I get any trade setup, I mean any buy setup, I will take it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup for buy, I will share. Thanks.